Hello and welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Kodi application on your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. This method will be using a browser. As far as your browser is on the Android operating system, it's good to go. In my case, I'll be using the Google browser, and I would like you to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more value like this. Click on the Google browser or browser of choice, and you need to search in Kodi app. So on the search bar, search for KODIAPP. When you search for the Kodi app, you will see a number of sites offering it. I would like you to go to play.google.com and click on this link. Now, if this is your first time, Google will ask you to log into your account. Log into your Google account and you should see an install button right here. Click on it, and after a few seconds, your download will begin. Be patient, and when your download is complete, this application will be installed straight into your app library on your Android TV. If you found inside here, like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another one.